Do you like ice cream? Do you like candy? If so, in today's video, we're going to be making homemade ice cream with Buncha Crunch. Let's go! Okay, so for this recipe, we'll be needing 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 1 pinch of salt. And we'll also be using Buncha Crunch, which you can use any candy of your choice for extra flavor. So, the tools will be using for this recipe are a KitchenAid stand mixer, a KitchenAid ice cream maker, a mixing bowl, and 1 cup measuring cup, 1 tablespoon, and a hand mixer to help dissolve the sugar. First, we'll measure our dry items. So let's take 1 cup of sugar to add to the bowl. Now we're going to add the 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. So let's pour this in the cup. Right into the mixture. There we go. So that's 1 cup. And now we'll need 1 more. Whoa! There we go. That's 1 more cup of heavy whipping cream. And let's go add it in. Now we need 2 cups of milk. Okay, let's add our first cup. And I think this will be hard. Oops, it's overflowing. I'm going to need a paper towel after this. There we go, 1 cup. And now we'll need our second. And the mess I've made is going everywhere now. There we go, 2 cups. Next we'll add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so let's pour on the tablespoon. There we go. Smells real nice. Next we'll add 1 pinch of salt. There we go. And let's add it in. There we go. Now we're going to mix it up. Okay, so we'll be doing this till the sugar is fully dissolved. Now we're all done mixing. And be sure to turn on your stand mixer before adding the ingredients. Now we add the ingredients. It's been a few minutes. The ice cream is a little bit harder, but it's still not ready for the Buncha Crunch yet. And now that our ice cream is almost ready, we'll be adding our Buncha Crunch for the final 2 minutes of mixing. We'll have our Buncha Crunch or the candy of your choice. Slowly mix it in. That's quick. Still more. There we go. Okay, now it's done. So let's turn it off. There. So if you like soft serve, you can eat it now, but we'll be putting it in the freezer for tonight. After the ice cream has been moved over, we'll stick the lid on top and move it into the freezer. It's been a few hours and the ice cream has hardened. And now we're going to go try it. Okay, so I'll go get the ice cream right here. There we go. Okay, here's the ice cream.
Looks tasty.
So I'm going to go serve everyone their ice cream. Yeah. Whee!
Ice cream for ice cream.
That looks real good.
I see the Buncha Crunch.
I definitely want to eat.
So I'm going to go get some ice cream for all three of us. So I'll start by you doing me.
Give me ice cream.
Yeah. There we go. Hey, there we go. So I got some, and I'll just get some for Ethan. Ooh, I see some of the candy. And then here's some Ethan's. There. Okay, Kevin, we're going to get yours now. Ready? There we go. So let's go try it out, the ice cream. Okay, Kevin, you can have some. Yum.
It's really good.
That's real good.
How'd you do that good?
Just the recipe. I hope you enjoy having the ice cream, and be sure to please like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.